Hello Makanku lovers! How to cook Makanku steamed tempe? Open the plastic package. Cook steamed tempe. You will find ready to cook steamed tempe. How to cook? It's very simple. First, heat the vegetable oil. Open the plastic. And take out steamed tempeh. Put the steamed tempeh into hot oil. Fry with medium heat until done. After that, take it out and let it cool in room temperature. Serve it on the plate. This is it! Makanku steamed tempeh ready to eat. Makanku, modern, ready to eat, healthy food.